How to configure a custom Intune role, a quick guide. Configuring custom roles in Intune allows for precise control over what actions administrators can perform. This guide provides a step-by-step process to create a new role and assign it to the appropriate administrators, with a focus on managing device actions. Step-by-step instructions to create a custom Intune role. 1. Access roles in Intune. Go to the Intune portal. Navigate to Tenant Administration, Roles. Note, before creating a role, click on My Permissions to view your current permissions within the tenant. This will help you understand the level of access you have. 2. Explore built-in roles, optional. In all roles, click on any built-in role to view its properties and assign permissions. Use the Properties tab to see details and Assignments to view or change role assignments. 3. Create a new custom role. Click on All Roles, then select Plus Create Intune Role. Provide a name and description for your new role. Example, let's create a role called Device Compliance Manager that can mark devices as compliant, retire devices, and wipe devices. 4. Select permissions for the role. On the Permissions page, choose the specific actions the role can perform. For our example, under Device Management, select Mark Devices as Compliant, Retire Devices, Wipe Devices. Click Next after selecting the necessary permissions. 5. Assign scope tags, optional. Scope tags are useful if you need to delegate permissions to specific subsets of devices or users, e.g., limiting an administrator's access to devices within a specific office. For this example, we are applying this role tenant-wide, so we skip scope tags. Click Next. Review and create the role. Review the configuration settings for accuracy. Click Create to finalize the custom role. 7. Assign the newly created role. After creating the role, click on the new role and then click Assignments. Click Plus Assign to start the assignment process. 8. Configure the assignment. Enter a name and description for the assignment. Click Next. 9. Select an Entra group for the role. Choose the Entra group, a group of users you want to assign this role to. All members of this group will receive the role's permissions. Click Next. 10. Set scope groups, optional. On the Scope Group screen, specify whether the role applies to all devices, all users, or only a specific subset. For our example, you may want the role to apply to a specific group of devices. Select the appropriate group and click Next. 11. Review scope tags. Scope tags are less critical for device actions, but if you have a role with broader permissions, like editing policies, use scope tags to restrict access. For this example, we are focusing on device actions, so click Next. 12. Finalize the assignment. Review all settings to ensure they are correct. Click Create to finalize the role assignment. Conclusion: by following these steps, you have created and assigned a custom role in Intune, tailored to your organization's needs.